I think quantum physics is often displayed as this very scary, weird, mathy discipline that only the best of the best are able to work in. And I think it couldn't really be further from the truth.
I think being creative, as long as science is concerned, is really to come with a project and come with ideas. In the rough idea, it could be the same in art probably, but it's saying, I'm inspired by all of what has been done in the past, and in science we always start with that. So this gives you a ground, and then you will try to build on it and to start something new.
To think in a different way and try to overcome the limitations that you have, think beyond the limitations, and think that things can happen although that you are limited in means.
You have an ongoing process that kind of shapes itself while you're doing it. And this is something that can happen during painting as well, when you are working in the lab and you're just trying to understand something better while you're doing it. You're thinking in more of a way, and then once you start building it, you come across a lot of problems, and while you have to solve them, you learn and you get a clear picture of what you're doing and how things work.
Latest big things I've discovered recently were climbing, funnily enough with a lab friend actually, who then started explaining to me how to finish a boulder. Can you visualize the vectors? How do you need to move to do that? For me, it just clicked how I needed to think about that.
The asset you need to go is to understand that going only in one direction of quantum physics, like experimental, will not work. You need to take into account the theory, the simulation, and all of these other branches and put a project together. And I think this is the most important in the end. You cannot work alone on that, or you have at least to cover all the topics. Just to answer one question that might seem experimental at first, but it's never only that.
It's really about being confident and trying new things, being creative and believing that you have the skills to contribute to the solution. Yeah, the ways in which I have worked best is really not be scared of openly thinking out loud together with my supervisor. And this is where we've produced our best work. It's to just speak up, know that you do deserve this place in the room and you do deserve to have your voice and your ideas heard, and this is often what leads to success.